Project 8, detecting vibration. Jumper cable times 5, 5mm LED, resistor, tilt switch sensor. Here we are a constant int LED pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cons int buzzer pin number 8. Cons melody, int melody. Then cons int note duration 424242. Void setup for int is equal to I is equal to 0, I is equal to less than 5 increment. Then pin mode LED pins, pin mode buzzer pin output, void loop for int I is equal to 0. Tone buzzer pin 16, trigger LEDs, delay 200. Project 9 auto light, component list, jumper cable times 5, 5mm LED, ambient light, resistor 220R, resistor 10K. So here we use LED to pin number 13, int motor pin number 12, int val is equal to 0. Void setup, pin mode output of LED, pin mode motor pin output, serial. Void loop is val analog read, then pin mode motor pin output, serial begin 9600. Void loop val analog read, serial print ln. If val 1000, digital write LED with low, else if LED is high, digital written motor pin high. Project 10, moving a servo, jumper cables times 3, servo times 1. So we put this include servo.h, servo, then servo, then int angle is equal to 0, initial angle for the servo motor. Void setup, we attach the servo to the pin number 9. Void loop, we move to 0 to 180 degrees, then servo right to set the servo in position. Delay 100, delay for smooth movement, then for angle 180. So move from 180 to 0 degrees, servo right angle, set the servo in the position, delay 50, then for the smooth. Project 11, interact with servo, jumper cable times 3, jumper cable times 3, 10K potentiometer times 1, servo times 1. So here we are, we include the servo H, then servo, then to create the object to control a servo, int pos is equal to 0 for the variable stored for the position. Then void setup, my servo attached to number 9. Then void loop for goes to 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Then my servo dot right to tell the servo the position variable pos. Then delay to wait 15 seconds for the servo to reach the position. Then for POS is equal to 180, POS greater than 20, to goes to 180 degrees to 0 degrees. My servo right pos to tell the servo the variable, then delay 15 seconds.